In this video, I will show you how to start to use SPSS using the Psppire version that we are using in class. This is a substitute version for the original SPSS. The trial, if you download the trial in the system, will allow SPSS.com, right? Will allow you to download the trial for 1 month and you can use it. It's equivalent to Psppire that will allow you to use with no limit on the time. So that's what I will use today in order to show you how to start using the SPSS, aka Psppire, for this video. So let's start. I will share my screen in a few seconds. Let me see if I'm sharing my screen now. No, I'm not. No. So let me go to this part, entire screen. Now I will start to share my screen and I will show you since step 1 how to start with Psppire or SPSS, Statistical Package for Social Studies. This knowledge will allow you to submit several assignments in this class. So let's go here to the system. So I will open this system that I already have downloaded in my computer. I already put you the links in the in the classroom, in the dashboard. I will open a brand new file, new data. That's what I will do. Let me use this mouse because the other mouse is too slow. So I'm gonna click on data. Once you open, the icon will be something like this, okay? It's because I had this open already. Close without saving. So once we open a brand new page, open data, okay? We will start with the uploading, building the matrix of data, okay? That's the first step we will do. So I will click here in variable view to start. Let me do it here, variable view. Let me go to the Google Meeting just to make sure. Okay, how I can do this here. Anyway, let's go again. So once I am in the file, the first step is to create your variable view, your matrix of data. As I say, I click here and I will do the first variable in this survey that you already have in the classroom is age. So I will put the word age, and then I hit on tab. Okay, I click on tab. I hit tab in my I hit tab in my computer, and then you will see something like this. Now you see the minus sign. You will hit in minus here. It doesn't matter. This part doesn't matter. Okay, here. Once I'm in decimal, okay, decimal, I will click 0. It's fine. If you don't have 0 for some reason, it's fine. Don't worry. Okay, let's keep going. I'm moving now with my arrows, and it's working with the arrows of the keyboard. The word that I was looking for, keyboard. So once I'm moving with the arrows in the keyboard. Sometimes it doesn't let you to do it, so that's why I move with tab. So once I am in value label, for my ones that have the IBM SPSS version, you will see 3 dots in value label. In my case, I don't see the 3 dots, so I click on that, on the Y square. I just did one click. And for my ones that have SPSS from IBM, you will see a plus sign. Okay, I don't see the plus sign. So I'm gonna put value 1. You will see 2 columns in the SPSS. In one you put 1, and in the next column you're gonna write minus 18. That's what I'm going to do for now. I hit add. I'm going to click on add. Boom. And I have my first variable. Second will be my second label. My second label will be 19 25. To 25, I click add. In your case, in IBM SPSS, you click plus sign. Then number 3 will be 26 to 35. And I'm done with that part. Click on add. Then 4 will be 36, 36, 45. If you want this service, I have a paper available for you, and I also uploaded in the classroom, so you can see it. Okay, now in the number 5, you will need some of these or be creative and make the example by yourself, because the most important that we need to do is to create a matrix, what I'm doing now. So I click on that. Actually, I have to change this variable. So I click in the plus sign, plus. I'm going to write the word plus. Apply. And then it's okay. And I'm done with this part. You see, now I have my first variable. In label, what we're going to write in label? The same. It's the entire question. But because my entire question is not long, it's just say H, I'm going to write H. And that's it. And then second line. My second line in this service say program. Program is business or theology. So if I write in my name program, and then with say is 8, fine, I keep going. I'm moving with tab now. And I'm gonna click in this minus sign to put 0. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna move with my arrow to the next square. It says A, and it says now program. So program, I'm gonna write program. Program that the student belong. You can do that. Here you can be creative and do the entire question that you elaborate for this survey. So the student belongs. Okay, value label will be click, click. And then number 1 will be business. Number 2 will be theology, business. And then I click add. And the second will be theology. Theology. And I'm done. Add. Let me go okay. And let me make sure I'm recording. Yeah, because and I'm sharing my screen with you so you can see what I'm doing. Yes, I think you can. Yeah, because this is kind of a challenge. I wanted to hide the camera, but I don't know how to do it now. I don't know how to hide it. Let me see here. Turn off camera. Yes, because you don't need that. You just need the most important you need is to see the screen. Okay, so now we are on the screen again. And next one will be, now we are done with this. Rest of the column, we are fine. We're going to leave it the way they call a scale. I can do, for this case, nominal. Okay, so I'm going to choose nominal because the variables I have right now are nominal. So it's fine. I'm going to leave it like this. If you leave another, it's not going to cause you a lot of trouble right now. But let's keep going. So now, satisfaction level in general with the internet in Reform University. So that's my third variable in this research that I have with real data that we did, okay? So satisfaction level, that's all I'm going to write because here I cannot make any space or something like that. I'm moving with my arrows or tab, okay? Here, remember, I'm going to click on the minus until I get my 0. If you don't do that, it's also okay. In label, I will write my entire question, which is satisfaction level in general with the internet in Reform University. With the internet in Reform University. And we are done with this part. And then value label, my value labels will be 1, very satisfied, 2, satisfied, 3, neither satisfied nor satisfied, 4, unsatisfied, 5, very unsatisfied. Or I can do the opposite. It doesn't matter the order for this kind of variable. It's up to you, okay? So remember, for my ones that have SPSS from my BM, you will see 2 columns at this moment, and you will see a plus sign in the right side. You're just gonna type in the first column the numbers, and in the second column the value of the label. The same I'm doing here, but you have 2 columns. So 1 is very satisfied. I'm gonna code it like that. Now we are coding the different labels for my variable. That's what we are doing. Why we do this? Because with this kind of process, we build a matrix of data that will allow me to input the information that I obtain from my survey. And that's how I can analyze the data and obtain the applied business statistics. That's the moment when I apply the business statistics, when I'm ready, and then I'm ready to analyze, to provide the information, to take decisions, make improvement, all of the process that we do once we are applying the business statistics. So neither satisfy nor satisfied. That's what I'm doing now, okay? Add. Number 4 is unsatisfied. Add. Number 5 is very unsatisfied. Very unsatisfied. And then I click add again. And then I hit OK. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to put another one, which is, I think now I click OK because I have to come back. I forgot to put one of the variables, so I'm going to click again. And I have to add a variable. Cancel. You know what is going to happen? Let me remove. Unsatisfied. Okay, yeah, but I need to come back. I need to put the number 5.